Right now, as you're listening, you're in the middle of a battle of forces. Your chair is pushing up on you, and the massive earth is pulling you down. These invisible hands are everywhere, constantly pushing and pulling, making things move, stop, or completely change direction. Once you learn to see them, the world becomes a giant playground of physics. Let's start with the big one, gravity. Ever jump as high as you can and wonder why you don't just float into space? That's Earth's immense gravitational pull, a constant force holding everything down, from you to the oceans. It keeps our world grounded and predictable. Every time you drop something, you're watching gravity in action. But what about the force that stops things? That's friction, the invisible brake. It happens when two surfaces rub together, and it's the reason it's harder to slide on grass than on ice. The rough grass has high friction. It grabs on. Smooth ice has low friction. We use this force every day. The tread on your shoes creates friction so you don't slip, and car tires use it to grip a wet road. It's the force of control. You can see this battle everywhere. On a playground swing, your push starts the motion, and gravity's pull brings you back down. On a slide, gravity is your engine, but friction is the brake, slowing your descent. And you are the director. A bigger push on a ball makes it go faster. A gentle nudge might not move a heavy box at all. You can use a force to stop something or hit it from the side to change its path. The bigger the force, the bigger the change. Understanding these forces, gravity's constant pull and friction's grip, is how engineers build safer cars and how athletes perform better. When you know about them, you aren't just a passenger in the world. You're a director of movement. So keep pushing, keep pulling, and stay curious about what makes our world move.